Hello everyone, welcome to RPA Learners, and in this video we're going to see how to use getTableSlice keyword in Robocorp. The getTableSlice keyword has three arguments. One is table, a table to read from where you need to read the table, and the second one is start where it need to start and where it need to end. This is not start, this is end, right? So what is the start and end? What is the table slice? Let's say you want to get only top n rows or bottom n rows. We already seen the table head and table tail keywords in order to get the top and the bottom rows of a table. Let's say you want rows between it. Let's say I want to get a row from 5 to 8th row and I want that details, and then you can use this keyword, make use of this keyword and get those values. Or you want to negotiate the last 5 rows, or you want to get the top 5 rows, you can use this keyword. And let's see how it will be useful and how we can use it. And this is our input Excel, and let's keep this down and go to our data Visual Studio, where we are using RPA.tables library and we are using the DT. Now what we need to do, we need to use another variable which will store us the new DT, and let's use the getTableSlice keyword, where it is taking one default argument which is DT, which is the table, and the first argument is a start and second argument is the end. So I want to get the values from the start. Let's say if I want only 5 rows at the starting, then I can get that, but let's write this table to a CSV so that we can see the output, which is dt1 here, and the path is dt2 dot CSV. Let's save this, let's execute this. It need to provide me the top 5 rows from the table which we are using as an input, right? So let's wait for this to complete and then we will confirm with whether we're getting those values or not. And it is completed. Let's go here and let's see the dt2 and dt1. With the dt1, let's compare those two values, and if you see here, it started from 5th row, right? We mentioned it as 5th row, not the start from the 5 rows. What is the row value that you provide, it will start from there. So we provided as 5, so it started at 3 2 3 9, and if you don't mention any end value to it, it will take till the last row. If you don't mention any start value to it, it will start from the first row. Otherwise it will take whatever the row that we are mentioning. We mentioned it as 5, so it started from 3 0 1 2 3 4, and this is the 5th row of 3. So this is how we use start. And let's say if I want to use end as well, I don't want that many rows and I want to have only 3 rows or 4 rows out of it, I mention it as 8. And let's close the output file and let's rerun it again. This time it need to get the values from the 5th row till the 8th row from in the table. And if you want to negotiate the last n number of rows, then I will show you that case too. First let's go here and let's go here, dt2.csv, and let's see the differences. And if you see here, we got only 3 rows, which means 5 6 and 7, right? This is the 5th row, 6th row and 7th row, because we need till 8th row, not 8th row. 8th row is not included in it. So let's close this. Let's go here again in the code. This time what we will do, we will mention only end, and we need top 5 rows, right? Let's save this and let's execute this. Let's see. We are telling that get all the rows except the last 5. Let's see how we get those values. Because we are mentioning it as minus, we are telling that except that get all the remaining rows. Let's go here, dt2, and this is our main table, and this is our another table. If you see here, it got 1 2 3 4. What it is doing, it is not considering these 5 because we mentioned as -5, so it need to remove all those 5 and then give us the top rows which are there here. And this is how we use table slice keyword in Robocorp. And that's it for this video. If you like this video, please give it a like. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please consider subscribing for more videos. Thanks for watching.